Hello my friends, welcome to Training BKS. Today is 23rd of May 2023. So now it's 4 o'clock. Okay, market no close, but I doubt will be much movement after this. Excuse me of the sound because our neighbor is doing some renovation kind of thing, so we can see the banging sound. Okay, a lot of news, a lot of this quarter report today, a lot of report. Okay, have to go through. Let's check out a quick disclaimer first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, check out global market. Okay, KLSE 1533. So today go back above 1530 already. 6.93 points up, 0.454%. It's not yet close. Okay, Singapore dropped 0.222%. Okay, Hong Kong dropped 0.039%. South Korea dropped 0.061%. Japan up 0.472%. China up 0.487%. FTSE China dropped 0.84%. SSE China dropped 0.94%. SXSE China dropped 0.853%. Australia up 0.146%. Taiwan dropped 0.086%. And Nifty India up 1.062%. So this today Asia quite weak. Okay, look at Europe. FTSE UK up 0.397%. DAX German up 0.415%. So yesterday night, US Dow Jones dropped 0.003%, NYSE dropped 0.220%, S&P dropped 0.044%, and Nasdaq up 0.281%. So it's a bit mixed, a bit flat. Okay. Crude palm oil 3,907, Brent oil 63 drop, crude oil 60 drop, gold still strong 3,331, silver 33.42 strong. Dollar against ringgit drop again 4.2300. Bitcoin 110,000 holding there, and Ethereum 2,656. Okay, look at BURSA. This is not yet close. Okay, 1533 now, 6.97 points up, 0.46%. Volume were quite small today. Okay, 2.386 billion. Sentiment 46, gainers 411, losers 467, untrade is 487, and unchanged is 485, untrade is 1054. Yesterday foreign fund net sell 208 million. Okay, local institution net buy 133 million, and local retail net buy 175 million. ECOSHOP today listed up, okay 7% up. YTL big drop, YTL Power, because the report not so good. Astro probably might got a chance to rebound later. Might want to take a look. Astro. Okay. Look at the sector. All in percentage. Construction up 0.68. Consumer up 0.24. Energy up 0.57. Finance up 0.87. Healthcare drop up 0.25. Industry drop 0.01. Plantation up 0.32. Property up 0.31, REIT drop 0.05, technology up 0.2, telco up 1.16, utilities drop transportation drop 0.47, utilities drop 1.18. Okay, look at the chart. KLCI. So the stock the bleeding so slow down already at 1530. So looks like it's actually stopping earlier than here. It's good. Okay, at least this is slightly positive.
excuse me. Because the support at 1530, I told you right now it went back out. So now 1530 is supporting lah. Okay, hopefully, okay, this one can hold it from falling lah. Okay, Ace market drop 0.0, up 0.01. So it's supporting at 4006. Mid cap. Okay, mid cap we got a mixed result lah. Yesterday pin bar, today also pin bar. So it's just struggling. It's just okay lah. It just stopped the bleeding lah also. Okay. Up 0.24%, small cap drop 0.05%. So also holding at around this 15,006, this support area lah. So far okay lah. At least this week the bleeding stopped lah. Before we continue go to next week. Utilities, we saw this. I told you lah, I'm not very keen lah. Because utilities, I told you right, we got this slanting head and shoulder lah. Okay, already broke, so we come back to retest the neckline now, coming down again lah. So I'm not keen in this sector at all. Okay. Other than that, nothing much. Okay, let's look at Facebook, see if got anything. Crypto still strong lah. Crypto still strong today. John Sniper, yes. John Sniper. Celebrating ah. John Sniper watching the market. Skyward still okay, Kobe, Skyward. Kobe, not so good. Drop back already. Just drop below 1.25. Okay. Cut down first lah. Cut down first. Okay. Cut down first. If we can hold 1.19, probably still okay. But if you cannot hold 1.19, then better let go already. Okay. But I think this drop not supposed to drop so low lah. But market just fearful lah. Okay, volume also small lah. Maybe cut down first. If drop 1.18, 1.19, cannot. Okay. Skyward so far okay lah. It's still inside the channel. It's still holding at 0.44. Next week it can. If next week it can rebound. Okay. If next week continue to drop, then better cut down. Start to cut down. Okay. Andy, today Friday. Drop is good lah. Andy say. Crest making inverse head and shoulder. Excuse me. Yeah, kind of like inverted head and shoulder lah. Okay, so this one, okay. If you already in, then best not to drop below here lah. Okay, below this 18 cents lah. Okay, you got a small one head and shoulder. Okay, so if you can, if you not yet in, then maybe you want to wait for a break of 0.225. If a break of 0.225, then the right shoulder not yet fully developed lah. Also we have to wait for this one to develop the full shoulder lah. Okay. Okay, so this one want to develop full shoulder means a break above here. Then okay, but this one is quite low lah. It really dropped quite low. We want to see whether there's a channel. I think there's a channel. It just broke. Yeah, you see it's still stuck there. Okay, it's still stuck there at the trend line. Okay, it's still stuck. It's not like totally broken out yet. So you still have to careful a bit lah. Okay. Okay, so it's still, okay, best still need to break 225, 0.225. Push, push the market up. John Sniper, Aaron. PBBANK. head and shoulder. Yeah, it need to complete the shoulder lah. Potential head and shoulder lah. Also TPTAG so TPTAG potential head and shoulder. But you need to complete this one lah. Need to complete break above 0.76 first. Okay, so you have to watch lah. Same thing lah, 0.76 lah. Okay, you need to break above 0.76. Okay, break above, then we got we might get a head and shoulder. Okay, 0.76. Okay, video lah. So you haven't break up from this downtrend channel also lah. So you need to break up 0.76. Okay. Andy say didn't see any momentum lah, but not dropping much more is good lah. Hopefully next week can rebound. Okay. Okay, let's look at news. A lot of news today.
MSM shares hit limit down, short selling suspended. Okay,
so the revenue 41 million last year dropped to 3.7 million so by 191% up. That's why revenue also dropped a lot, 900 over 1,000 to 700 over 1,000 so MSM hit the first target, already koyak, already come back down so this one need to cut down already with such a bad report. I think this one probably this one 1.14 also cannot hold. Excuse me. This one have to cut down. Okay.
PETRONM Malaysia posts higher net profit of RM 81 mil in 1Q.
Okay, revenue drop 4.6 to 3.7, profit 69 to 81. But revenue is down. Okay. Which is not so good Okay. Okay, but PETRONM still okay still going because of profit up. PETRONM still okay. Maybe it can go a bit higher but I said I'm not really keen on this sector Okay.
Press Metal lifts 1Q dividend as profit rises 13%. Flag stabilizing prices.
Okay, revenue also up 3.6 to 3.9 so profit 408 million to 461 million. Okay, quite good Okay. Still okay still slowly still stuck between 436 to 520 I need break 520 maybe can go to the bank target. But still okay looks okay for now.
Manulife's 1Q net profit down 76% on lower profit from life insurance business.
Okay. Manulife is 2.16 but I'm not chasing this too a bit volatile. But you cannot hold 2.16, then be careful
UEMS Sunrise posts 151% jump in net profit on higher revenue, lower finance costs.
Okay, revenue 225 million to 5417 million, profit 8 million to 20 million Okay, so did quite well did quite well. You may have same thing it's just on its way down. We might got a rebound. We might got a rebound head and shoulder but came back down. It might still go up a bit but I'm not very keen as this sector. I told you I'm not very keen because it's on its way down. Head and shoulder, a small rebound already straight away got rejected so early. Can't even this target here also looks like not reaching. Still okay but I'm not keen Maybe still can go up a bit but it's not strong It's not strong. Okay.
Dutch Lady's 1Q net profit down 6%, pays 25 cent dividend.
Okay, 373 million. Revenue up 373, 26362 to 373. But profit drop 26 to 25 million. Okay, that's really the breakout fail lah, so nothing much happening lah. Okay, nothing much, it's just dropping, and the report also not so good. Kenanga target also nothing much happening lah. Okay. So the flat pattern fail okay, came back down, fail. So now we got a channel down probably. Okay, nothing much happening.
KLSE logs in higher net profit of IM 154.27 mil in Q2.
Okay, last year 5.5 million revenue, now 6.3. Profit 117 to 154. Okay, so quite good. Okay. KLK. KLK already starting to go downtrend. I'm not keen on this one unless it break 223 and the bank target are all here lah. Okay, so already reached the bank target, so nothing much to chase lah.
YTL Power, YTL Corp down amid weak quarterly results, analyst downgrades.
Okay, both gonna downgrade lah.
YTL Power posts lower 3Q net profit of IM 489.41 mil.
Okay, YTL Power. Last year 5.2 million revenue, now 4.9, drop a bit. Profit 698 million, now 489 million. Okay, look at YTL. YTL third quarter last year 7.2 billion, now 7.3 billion. Revenue is up. Okay, profit 496 million to 490 million, drop a little. It's not so bad lah, but no, it's not good either lah. Okay. Okay, YTL drop back already lah. This is a false break. Be careful. It broken out, came back down. So this could be a false break. Okay, so it could come back to 1.74. If it drop 1.74, it might come back to the bottom channel. Okay, you do take note. YTL Power, okay, YTL Power so now struggling at 3.46. If we drop below 3.76, it's probably coming back to 2.95. If we drop below 2.95, might come back to the bottom channel. Okay, so do take note lah. Okay.
RCE Capital's 4Q net profit falls 43% on write-down provisions.
RCE already very high lah, double top already coming back down lah. So wave by wave, it's not good to chase this also.
Sunway's 1Q net profit rises almost 11% on data center jobs, higher returns from property investments.
Okay, revenue 1.4 billion to 2.4 billion, up. Profit 172 million to 190. Okay. Sunway, okay. Sunway look a bit like like double top also lah. So we got double bottom, double top. So this is just how they call it lah, counter productive. Okay. So this double bottom has been countered by this double top here. So this very it's quite dangerous lah. So now we have to watch here lah. Okay. If we can punch 25 ringgit, then maybe got something. If we cannot punch 2, if we drop below here, then you have to be careful lah. Drop below 4.72 okay. so it might continue to drop. So this could be the top here lah. Okay, but it might, I mean, you still have to, I'm not keen but we still have to wait and see lah, because it's too high to chase for me. All this really went too high like there, all the way up here so I'm not here, but I didn't manage to chase all this, right? I'm not chasing here the look like a blow up top. And also you see the bank target also is already there, right? So what are the purpose, right, to chase? Okay, so if we break 25 ringgit, then we talk again. If we cannot break 2, I think the direction could be down lah. Okay.
Kaya Mata Sarawak's 1Q profit down 34% on unfavorable forex, prolonged monsoon season.
Okay, revenue 246. Last year 277, so it's down. Profit 38 to 25 million so it's down also. Okay, CMSB, maybe you want to take profit already okay. The sell signal already come out okay, do take note okay. You might want to take profit already. Okay.
BKAWAN's 2Q net profit slightly up on higher palm product prices.
Okay, BKAWAN not much happening it's still slowly it's going back down slowly it's just going down Okay. Nothing much happening.
TOMEI's 1Q net profit jumps 33% on strong gold demand.
Okay, 222 million revenue now, 248. Profit 20 to 27 so good. People buying gold okay. Like I said TOMEI I'm not buying here I think it's a bit too late Gold already too high already.
DRBHCOM's 1Q net profit down 81% on lower sales and higher costs in its auto, postal, and property segments.
Okay, so this one probably you have to you have to double top here. I think probably the rebound really hit our target. You see our first, second target. So even hit our target, you already need to take profit already As I said this year not easy because you are seeing so many new brands coming in to fight our market fight with this DRB. Not easy Also so many brands to choose last time only either you choose Malaysia brand or Japanese brand, or if you are rich then you choose the continental brand. So now we got I mean also we got Korean brand but Korean brand also slowed down already last few years so much more easier for this Proton to sell but now you have to compete with all those Chinese cars, very beautiful, very high tech, very beautiful design, very high tech and very affordable price also so not easy okay. So you can see all P auto all this all dive okay.
ECOSHOP rises 10% in main market debut.
ECOSHOP so drop drop okay, gap up and then drop, nothing much okay. I think the resistance is 1.25 if we break to 1.25 maybe want to go again okay. Okay. This one, pharma already rebound. I think pharma cut down first. Because there is a risk that it might get delisted.
Pharmaniaga gets 3-month extension to implement regularization plan.
Okay, so you need to get this plan out, or else it might get delisted.
BURSA Malaysia Securities BHD on Thursday granted Pharmaniaga BHD, KL, Pharma, a 3-month extension up to August 29th to implement its regularization plan. The extension of time granted is without prejudice to BURSA Securities' right to proceed to suspend the trading of the listed securities of Pharmaniaga, and to delist the company in the event it fails to implement its regularization plan within the time frame or extended time frame stipulated by any of the regulatory authorities, the company said in a filing with BURSA Malaysia. If it fails to do so, BURSA Securities will suspend the trading of the listed securities of Pharmaniaga on the 6th market day after the date of notification of suspension by BURSA Securities and delist the company.
Okay.
Subject to the company's right to appeal against the delisting, it said.
Okay, so you still can appeal but it's a bit dangerous So also it really rebound a bit. So what would I do? I will sell probably, if I holding okay, I will sell half first and keep half, see what happen. Okay, if it didn't get delisted, it's planned very good, it continue to rebound. Okay, maybe I lost a little bit here, but if it continue to rebound next time, still I can gain back Or if it doesn't, if it's starting to drop also, okay, so I really pick up, I really sold quite a lot I will probably sell half first. So and see what happened Okay, if it drop, we don't get so much losses, but if we go up, okay, if it didn't get delisted long term, if we go back up, we still got a chance to profit but this one a bit risky we have to continue and wait and see okay. So hopefully it can get the regularization plan done.
KOSSAN's Q1 core profit exceeds estimates, analyst raises FY25 outlook.
Okay, so KOSSAN first quarter 451 million revenue, now 487, profit 31 to 35 million. As I said, KOSSAN is the most reliable. I mean, you look at the chart and everything, KOSSAN is look at the news. Excuse me. Look at the quarter report. KOSSAN is the most reliable one so far. I said from last time when it's starting to rebound, I told you KOSSAN is the one that is more reliable okay. So KOSSAN after big rebound still going down still also KOSSAN also unable to go anywhere Okay, it just not yet drop. I mean it just stopped dropping from this 1.63 so also for me also quite dangerous okay, looks like it.
Lot Chemical Titan signs 3-year contract to buy naphtha from Aramco.
I think some kind of gas or something okay. See Titan. I see that maybe it trace a bit. Okay, hopefully can continue the rebound up. Excuse me, I still got this cough.
THPLANT posts lower 1Q net profit of IM 12.85 mil.
THPLANT also the triangle drop below the triangle this one also not good okay.
ADVCON wins RM 68.5 mil contract from Sime Derby Property.
ASU need to break 0.26 first.
VELESTO secures 90 United States dollars mil drilling contract in Indonesia.
VELESTO 19 cent in the breakthrough first. Okay.
Petronas Dagangun's 1Q profit up 30% on stronger commercial fuel sales, lower costs.
Profit revenue 9.4 billion to 9.1 drop. Profit 226 to 293 lah. So profit up quite a lot. Okay. Still hovering around here lah. Still hovering. It's not going up much. Also, it just zigzag around between 16 to 20.
HEXTAR Global's 1Q profit rises 11% on better margins at specialty chemicals and agriculture segments.
Okay, wow, very shaky. So it just break out, came back down, break again. Oh, this one scary. Okay. Broke outside channel, came back in. I as I said, still a bit too high, and also bank target is also not keen to play lah. Okay, also not keen to play. Okay, it just very difficult lah. Just can't break out higher. Just broke higher a bit lah, but I'm not very keen. Also a bit too high lah. Okay, to chase in. Okay, top gainers. A quick message before continue. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest in Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a remiser, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, the Luno, you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link okay. Okay, top gainers AX. Okay, AX almost reached the resistance here, 1.859, coming back down 1.62. So you see this triangle, right? It almost hit the triangle top. I mean, this one, I can say 50-50 lah now. 50-50 lah. I think if it hold above 155, I think maybe still got chance lah. It depends on BURSA whether still can continue go or not lah. Okay. Retracing lah. Yeah, have to let it give some room. Let's see how far it retraces. Now it was also a very small retracement only. Have to wait a bit and see lah. TMK already break out lah, so already break out, came back down, now still inside. Already dropped below 1.19, which is not so good so still very weak okay. Our BURSA so hopefully next week it can rebound If next week continue drop I think this also KO okay. SAM. SAM, as I said SAM, you might want to take profit, and now you see it came back to our support. 3.85 rebound. If it continues stay above 3.85, maybe still can. If it cannot continue stay above 3.85, also koyak already. Very difficult. Okay, Suncon. Okay, Suncon broken through. I think Suncon going to this target Okay, because they got a lot of project now maybe coming to this target but for me, I'm too high for me to chase Okay, Dayang need to break out 2 ringgit, I think better, not yet. Public Bank. Okay. Public Bank still sideways here and a bit too high also for me to chase. SOP broke below channel, now it's trying to go up above channel. not yet making higher high, higher low. Got a little bit head and shoulder. Maybe this one still can go a bit higher lah, SOP. But I'm not very keen also lah. Okay, looking at the chart, it's just starting to break out. Let me see. Here, it's still inside the channel. Sorry, okay, it's still inside. Okay, broken through. Maybe still can go a bit higher lah. Okay, this one. With energy price not going up, very difficult for palm oil to have big rebound. Heng Yuan also lah. You see one push up now, no more momentum. Astro. So this is a tough week lah. So may see whether next week can continue. Astro maybe got a chance to rebound. See Astro. Still very big. Astro, I don't see any room. If stay about 20 cents, maybe can start to rebound. Maybe got a chance to rebound. See whether it can stay above 20 cents, then only we talk. Now with BURSA looking so weak, we wait a bit and see lah. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.